elegance can exist in the same pair of heels. The most powerful women you see walking confidently, they're not in pain, they're in well-designed heels. Comfortable heels don't scream, they don't pinch, they don't torture your toes. They quietly support you while making you look unstoppable. What actually makes a heel comfortable? Let's break it down. Comfortable heels aren't about luck, they're about structure, balance, and smart design. Here are the main things that separate comfortable heels from painful ones. 1. The heel height that loves your feet. Comfort doesn't mean flat, it means balanced. The sweet spot for comfort is usually 2 to 3 inches for everyday wear, 3 to 4 inches for dressy occasions. When heels go too high without proper support, all your weight shifts to the front of your foot, and that's where pain begins. Comfortable heels distribute your weight evenly, so your feet aren't screaming after 10 minutes. Tip: if the heel looks tall but feels stable, that's a good sign. 2. The shape of the heel matters. Not all heels are created equal. The most comfortable heel types include block heels, wedges, and chunky heels. Well-designed platforms. These heels offer surface area, which means better balance and less pressure on your feet. Thin stilettos can still be comfortable, but only when they're perfectly balanced and well cushioned. If the heel looks like it can support your body weight without wobbling, your feet will thank you. How to know a comfortable heel just by looking at it. Yes, you can actually spot a comfortable heel without wearing it. Let me show you how. 1. Look at the sole. Flip the shoe over or observe closely. A comfortable heel usually has a slightly thicker sole, a platform at the front, rubber or textured grip underneath. Very thin, hard soles usually mean less shock absorption and more pain. Check the insole. Comfortable heels always care about the inside. Look for cushioned or padded insoles, soft lining, slight arch support. If the inside looks flat, stiff, and lifeless, that heel will feel the same on your feet. Observe the toe box. This is very important. Comfortable heels give your toes room to breathe. Pointed toe heels can be comfortable, but only if the point starts after your toes, not squeezing them together. If the front looks extremely narrow, your toes are already in danger. The heel position test. Here's a simple visual trick. Look at where the heel touches the ground. If it's placed too far back or looks off balance, walking will feel awkward. Comfortable heels are aligned properly with the center of the shoe, giving you natural stability. What to look for when shopping for comfortable heels.